You're not free. You're not free to leave. And you take another step, you'll be arrested. I promise you. I'm not going to argue with you. You're going to provide your name and information.
No.
I'll play. Okay.
Great.
For the time being, we need your information.
On August 20th, 2024, Belmar, New Jersey. A $12 beach badge. 3 criminal charges. 1 chokehold. The question this case forces us to answer: at what point does civil enforcement become unlawful detention?
I'm not going to ask you too many more times. You're not free. You're not free to leave.
Am I being detained?
You are. And you take another step, you'll be arrested. I promise you. I promise you.
Because I'm surfing?
Yeah. Just come here.
No. You can talk to Harry Hartson about it.
Talk to whoever you want about it. Talk to me right
I'm
now.
not doing anything wrong. I'm in the ocean.
Okay. We're not a beach badge, though, so we need your information.
Because I'm not on the beach. You're allowed to access the water to surf or to fish.
You are.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you don't need a beach badge for that.
You need a beach badge to get up to this beach.
Not
This
if I'm just
is a free beach. I'm not going to argue with you. You're going to provide your name and information.
No.
I'll play. After this transaction's done, I'll email you the free access law, and I'll also email you Title 40, which regulates the municipalities to charge for the beach. Okay.
Great.
For the time being, we need your information. Now? Okay. 726 to 52. You're not free to go.
All right. Good following along.
Seven two six. I have one of your arrest for me. 19.
Officer Braswell's authority rested on New Jersey Statute Section 4061 22.20, the Municipal Beach Act. That statute allows Atlantic coastal municipalities to charge reasonable beach fees. It does not create arrest authority. There is a critical distinction courts draw between a revenue charging ordinance and a detention authorizing statute. Braswell had the first. He did not clearly have the second. Under Terry v. Ohio, a lawful investigative stop requires reasonable articulable suspicion of criminal activity, not a civil infraction. A $12 fee violation is not a crime. That threshold distinction goes to the legality of the entire stop. When Mahoney refused to provide identification, the second constitutional layer emerged, the Fifth Amendment. New Jersey is not a stop and identify state. No statute in New Jersey independently compels a citizen to produce ID on police demand. The Supreme Court addressed this directly in Hybel versus the 6th Judicial District in 2004. The court upheld stop and identify laws, but only where a state statute actually exists. New Jersey has no such statute. Hybel does not apply here. The obstruction charge under New Jersey statute, Section 2, C, 29(1), requires purposeful obstruction by physical interference. Walking away from a civil enforcement check while remaining silent is constitutionally protected conduct. Silence alone does not meet the obstruction threshold. Physical non-compliance during handcuffing is a separate analysis entirely.
Drop the surfboard.
Sir,
Drop the surfboard.
Drop
the surfboard. Drop the surfboard. Drop the surfboard.
You're illegally arresting
Drop the
me.
surfboard.
You're illegally
Drop the surfboard.
arresting me. Whoa, Hey,
Why are you arresting him? It's going to be another charge. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
Stop!
Put your hands.
Go away!
Put your hands behind your back.
No,
Put your hands behind your back.
What did I do wrong? What did I
This
do
is
wrong?
ridiculous.
What did I do wrong?
This is
Fighting with
ridiculous.
police.
What
Put
did
your
I
hands behind
do
your
wrong?
back.
Bro,
Put your hands behind your back.
what did I do wrong, bro? That's my f***ing badge. I walked up to the shower,
Why are
dude.
you arresting him?
Bro,
Shut
stop.
up! Get out of my face, dude.
Put your hand behind your back.
No. Why are you guys arresting him? His badge is right
contact
here.
Harry
Put your hand behind your
Hartson?
back.
I will call Harry
Can you
Hartson. What the
contact
fuck
Harry
is this?
Hartson,
I'm gonna
please?
call
That's what I'm
him.
asking, man. Dude, I didn't do. I have my badge right
Dude,
there.
his badge is right here.
19th boardwalk. Still resisting.
Why did he have to take his name? He's home
Please let go of me. You are literally,
10 more cops.
bro.
Another
You are not
cop
allowed to
car
do
what?
this.
Dude, his badge is
You
right
are
here.
not allowed to do this.
Broke down
Please
your face.
stop. Okay.
Stop!
Yo,
Stop!
get her back. Get her back.
No touch him. Stop!
Put your hand behind your back. Put him on your back. Stop resisting. Put your hand behind your back. Get on the radio.
Hey, call Harry Hartson, please. I have a f***ing badge.
Why would you choke him? Because he doesn't have a badge. It's right here.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I have a badge. I'm not letting you arrest me, bro.
Why?
Hey, stop! Ah!
On use of force, the controlling standard is Graham versus Connor, 1989. 3 factors govern. First, the severity of the crime, non-criminal civil ordinance, lowest possible threshold. Second, immediate threat to officer safety, no weapon, wetsuit, no threatening movement, minimal to none. Third, active resistance or flight, physical non-compliance with handcuffing present. But evaluated against the first 2 factors, New Jersey Attorney General Directive 2025 restricts chokeholds and carotid restraints to situations involving imminent threat of serious bodily injury or death. This encounter presented no such threat. The application of a neck restraint under these facts does not survive Graham's scrutiny. On the subject side, the legal argument Mahoney raised was not frivolous. New Jersey DEP Regulation, Section 7.16.9, prohibits charging fees solely for access to tidal waterways and their shores. That regulation directly supports his position. Assembly Bill 4816, introduced in September 2024 as a direct legislative response to this incident, confirms it. State legislators do not introduce bills to fix laws that are working as intended. The ambiguity was real. Mahoney identified it correctly. However, physical resistance to arrest, even an arrest whose legality is contested, does not create a legal privilege to resist. New Jersey courts follow the majority rule. The remedy for an unlawful arrest is through the courts, not through physical force.
No, that's what happened. This is what happened.
This guy's a Hey, your career is done. Your career is done, bro.
Right, we got it too.
Dude, I have these bags, bro.
Freaking all of us out. We all live here. Look
Bro, can you please stop? You got these things so tight on me, man.
You're hurting.
Can you please f***ing loosen it just a hair, dude? Come on, you're being ridiculous.
Clear the walkway.
I was walking to the f***ing shower.
You get all of this stuff. Oh, great. I want to know where the head of the police department is.
Can you please f***ing get off me, dude?
Why is he's letting you take a phone?
Yo, can you loosen it a little bit, bro? You're cutting my wrist.
We're getting up, walking straight off.
Sir, can you please
Clear, Katie, clear that.
Sir, can you please
Clear the stairs.
a little bit?
Clear the stairs.
Sir, can you please
Clear the stairs.
loosen one of my
You're an idiot. Oh my God.
bro? Can you please give me, dude? My hand's cutting off the circulation.
Should have thought of that before you followed us for 5 minutes.
Oh my God.
I was going to the shower. I had a beach badge. You're being ridiculous, bro. Are you f***ing serious?
Yeah, you're under arrest for obstruction. Okay. Failure to produce beach badge. I just got here, so control yourself, all right?
Dude, can one of you please loosen the back my right wrist? I have.
Do you have anything on you?
No, sir, I do not.
You have nothing on you at all?
I have nothing. I have a bar of wax in my wetsuit.
Face the car.
Can you
Spread your
please?
legs. Face the car, spread your legs.
Let's examine the constitutional framework.
Officer Braswell receives a C. The initial contact had statutory grounding. The use of a neck restraint did not. Proportionate options existed at every escalation point and were not pursued. Disproportionate force for a non-criminal infraction. Liam Mahoney receives a B-. His legal argument was correct. His tactics converted a strong legal position into a guilty plea. Passive compliance, followed by litigation, would have produced a more favorable outcome than physical resistance at the scene. The Belmar Police Department receives a C+, transparent in releasing footage, legally grounded in enforcement authority. But the department's public defense of the neck restraint, absent any force review finding, prioritized institutional backing over proportionality analysis. 3 lessons this case leaves behind. First, civil enforcement authority and detention authority are not the same thing. Officers must be able to identify the specific legal basis for both. Second, proportionate enforcement options must be exhausted before physical escalation, particularly when the underlying offense is non-criminal. Third, when a citizen raises a legitimate legal argument, the correct response is supervisory consultation and documented non-compliance, not a takedown. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.